channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to disable Hyper-V in Windows 11. So guys, if you want to disable your Hyper-V in Windows 11, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, make sure that Hyper-V is supported in your computer or not. If it is supported, so guys, you simply open your window, like your start button. Then here you simply search the turn window feature on and off. So most of the features of your windows you control from here. Okay, so you simply click on it. Okay, it's loading all the feature. So like here, if your like my computer is not supported the Hyper-V. Okay, but in the list of these features that you can find your Hyper-V, and guys, you simply unchecked it like this. Okay, and simply click the option of OK, and your Hyper-V is disabled. Okay, so guys, this is the simple way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, still having the issue, so guys, you need to the your main organization that you provide the Hyper-V. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day.